guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I have a special guest with me. Hi. Ow! Wait, just a second.
Hi. I'm Repulse Robert.
Okay, he doesn't want to go to the video.
It's me.
So today we're gonna be making slime, and you can find these. You can find these at home, and you can make it at home or some. Forget about the last part. Okay, so you can make them at home or at your friend's house. It's really fun.
And you can make them at Doritos.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you the ingredients, and then we're gonna get started. First thing you're gonna need is glue. Doesn't matter what glue it is. It can't be hot glue. So I just use clear glue. You use clear glue to make slime and like crystal slime, something like that. But we're not doing crystal slime today. The second thing you need is a spoon. Third, a bowl. Fourth, some food coloring or paint.
And then sixth,
and last but not least, we're gonna need some detergent.
and then last is a tablet.
Or borax. You can use anything as your activator. Borax or laundry detergent. Other things I don't know about yet. So what you're gonna do next is grab your bowl. You're gonna need your spoon, so just like keep it, like hold on to it. We're gonna add some glue onto it, and you don't have to add that much, but if you want big slime, you can add some.
I don't know how she got it.
Adding a little bit. Okay, that's it. After
Next, I'm gonna get a spoon for mixing that up.
I already have one.
I'm just gonna get
Okay, so then the glue's in there. You can't see it because it's clear. And then we're gonna add some paint or food coloring. If you want clear, go ahead. But I'm just gonna make colorful. I use pink.
And here's the ingredients to mix it up.
Really.
See, these are the ingredients to mix it up.
Okay, now we're just gonna mix. What is this?
Pedro Pérez Alcalá recorrió con ellos desde el sur de México. Así es, Silvia. El viernes pasado concluyeron muy cerca de aquí, en la garita de San Isidro, las entrevistas preliminares a los inmigrantes que completaron esta odisea. Atrás quedó más de un mes de un largo viacrucis.
So this is how it looks like. And then we're gonna add a little bit of water. If you have those water bottles like me, if you have water bottles that like have the caps on, great idea. And just add a little bit.
Wow, now we're climbing.
Promise you this could get messy. Get off of the table!
I'm trying to get
off!
I'm just trying to get my...
Sorry, this is the first video we ever make, so we get a little bit nervous.
And sometimes Rat can...
Shut up! So then we're gonna mix. It's gonna be like watery. Then you can add more glue if you want. You make it maybe bigger, but I don't recommend it for me. Now we're gonna add some detergent. Don't add too much because it's gonna so add little by little. Oh yeah, you can also use contact lens solution. So you can see it further. You can see that much more.
I scored.
Now you just gotta mix.
Dad, you better watch out because I'm going to shoot the camera.
Stop! No!
I'm just going to shoot here. Watch the Nerf gun. Shoot. Be careful.
So
I need to load.
we're just gonna mix.
Land it in the fork spoon. Guys, you want to see where it landed? Nobody wants to know?
It's getting a little bit stretchier, but it's not gonna get anywhere, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more.
Oh, my Nerf gun hit the screen.
Whoa!
See, you can shoot that. Ah, shoot it way.
Whoa! And then, little by little, you can poke it. Okay. It's getting a little bit together, but I don't think it's gonna get anywhere then. So I'm gonna add a little more. Oh god.
I'm just gonna
Guys, if you don't like it getting carpet, then add a lot. Cause I'm adding it a little bit.
ask your parents and mom. Ask your parents, yeah.
80% de ellos de origen hondureño desataron la ira del presidente Donald Trump. I hope you didn't tell that child that not to get.
Oh my god, where's this Nerf gun lamp?
Can you put a little bit on the slime? Or if you
Everybody, see the dirt.
It's not dirt, it's jerk.
Dirt, dirt, dirt and dirt.
That's why you need to go to school, kids. People are gonna make fun of you.
The camera! The camera has a Nerf gun.
Daniel, I can't do it right now. You get it off. There.
But I have to look the guy.
Okay, it's sideways. It's getting a little together. You just gotta knead it. Stop! Okay, so now you can see it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this up. I'm just gonna try to put the rest together. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you my name. Or did I already tell you? I'm not sure, but we're gonna do something fun.
Hey, my gun is not broken anymore.
Oh, this is so cool!
Shoot it. Shoot it. I got. Shoot it.
Cream in there.
Got it. Jimmy, you know what? The heck? This can't be happening. This couldn't happen. My Nerf gun. Dark. Nerf gun. My ammo. My ammo's dead.
So guys, this is very hard to get off the bowl.
The only thing you have to get it off, subscribe, the like button. What is how nowhere? I'm shooting nothing.
like it's too hard, and then just get your slime and just like rub it. It'll make it's a safer.
Now
Guys, comment down below if I should make butter slime or fluffy slime. There's something else like new ingredients like tell me down below ingredients I should use for slime and I can share it with you. And then we could do some react videos if you want. But it's gonna be hard. Because I don't watch those videos react try not to cry challenge because like I cry very easily.
just like this.
No!
Just like this, guys.
Stop!
Or like this.
Stop!
Or like this.
Stop!
Or like this.
Stop!
Or like this.
Stop!
Oh god.
Just don't.
My Nerf gun is stuck in there. I'm going to try to shoot and get it out.
Alright, so I'm done. You can try to get the rest out.
Yeah, to play.
You can try to get,
Mamma mia.
yeah, you can play and be free. Is it upside down? Yep. Okay. So, now you can see what's on the table. And now I can show you my phone. So, see. This could get messy, so.
And this could get serious.
Okay, so.
Serious.
So I'm just
Don't
gonna.
subscribe her channel because she's a jerk. She's trying
Okay,
to.
so. That's the slime. I think.
I'm gonna shoot it and Nerf.
I think you saw it.
That just come nowhere.
Click that like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye.